response was a little hurried over the top of the goal. Good running. Well, there is a windstorm, and some players have been hit by the boards which have blown across. There are 2 players down on the pitch. It's an incredible act of nature. The linesman as well. Jabu Maluleke is one of the players who is down.
And including some the fans as well. Got a share of the spoils here on the stand.
But an incredible gust of wind taking the advertising boards on the far side and blowing them across the pitch and striking several players in the process. Jabu Maluleke is one of them. And linesman 2 got knocked, and there's an Orlando Pirates player down as well. This is Maluleke, and it looks as if he might have a bit of a cut on his knee there, William. Is that Lucky Lekwati? Is the live action. Now watch at the back there. Look at those boards setting off. The players don't realise there are a couple of... Oh, there was a blow there, and a few more flying across. A couple of players struck completely out of the blue. Maluleke caught in the middle there. There is the gust of wind. Look at the linesman on the far side being taken out. That is absolutely incredible. The strength of that wind coming from the far side. Bad. Look at the gust of wind. Look at the linesman. He didn't know what hit him. Absolutely incredible. So the rainstorm continues and the wind continues to blow. Some of the boards behind the signage is coming off. That kick from Maluleke, and this is against the wind as well. We've got people coming into the view of our camera shots as well, and our cameras aren't able to play. Charles Theron says no more football.